being able to see yourself in a character, being able to watch another character go through behavior is a communication tool that humans have been doing since we created fire, basically, which is, how do you understand, how do you grow up in a society, how do you learn how the buffalo roam, or how do you know where to hunt, or how do you understand when you go on a long journey to orient yourself to the landscape? It's done through story. And so by watching characters, whether it's Odysseus or, any other great character of myth or folklore, go through these different journeys, that's how we pick up the same behaviors for ourselves. So it's a very powerful tool for behavioral change to tell a story and to have those archetypes and those characters baked into what we do. So this is an interesting thing. I think it's a very important part of Cybermaniacs, and what we do is, even though on the outside it seems pretty funny, right? And it seems like we're very funny and it's very much about humor and making people laugh and getting them engaged, but there's some very serious science and there's some very serious storytelling and artistic themes that we're using to bake into the content. That it's not just about, hey, let's throw up a couple of puppets and see what happens. We've done our homework, we've done our research, and we really think that this approach is new and different, but it's also based in tried and true communication practices and principles.